Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm in Benidorm, and as the time of recording this video, it is the 8th of January 2025. Now, I was here roughly around about the same time last year, and I did a video where I walked along the front, and it was literally a ghost town. There was no one here at all. I think I bumped into probably about 6 or 8 people on the way along. All the bars were closed, all the shops were closed, and there was literally no one walking up and down the prom. So I thought I'd come down and do the same video this year, 2025. It looks slightly different. So what I'm going to do is I've started at the far end of Levante Beach, if you know where I am now. This is the very end of it as you turn around by the lift, the ski lift in the water. So that's the very end of it. The Benny Cactus is just up there. You can see it, the green light. So I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to wander along, and we'll have a little look and see what exactly is open and what is closed. Let's take a look. And straight away I can see there are more people walking. As I said, this time last year there was nothing, no one at all walking along anywhere. And it's quite a nice night as well. I'd say it's roughly probably around about 13-14 degrees. We've got one cafe bar closed there. By the way, it's round about 7 o'clock at night, so it's not late, it's early evening. Now you're probably going to sit down and say that people are back at the hotels eating, they're having their evening meals. Yes, but the thing is, not everybody has food included in their holidays. And as you can see now, we're coming up to this bar here now, this restaurant, and that looks very busy. Take a look out there now. It is quite a nice night. I'm gonna walk, I don't know, I'll see how far I feel like walking in this video. I might walk the full length. Turn you around for a sec. I'm in Benidorm, as I say, for this week. I'm doing 5 different hotel reviews, so check out for them as well. Watch them, they'll be coming up on the channel very shortly, probably in about 4 weeks time. I'm normally about 4 weeks behind on my recordings before they actually get edited and put back up onto YouTube. Now I'm coming up to the Bulldog bar, which looks to me like it's closed. But I can't believe the change to last year. There was no one walking up here, and it was round the same time as well. There was literally not a soul walking up and down here. No, Bulldog bar is closed, and so is the restaurant next door. As I said, it is the 8th of January. What happens in Benidorm is you'll get people who will run to round about late November, then they sort of close for a few weeks. The businesses, they close for a few weeks, and then they open up for the Christmas New Year period, and then a lot of the bars and the restaurants and that, especially the English run bars, they have a habit of having a couple of weeks at the very beginning of January off. You normally find that the first 2 weeks, or maybe even the whole of January, a lot of bars and restaurants are closed. got one bar open.
Ai ai.
I don't know if this is going to pick up copyright music in the background. I've got to be very careful of that, otherwise YouTube will take it down. As you can see, there's a lot of people. I have seen other videos go up recently that have said that Benidorm's dead. Well, I've been around Benidorm for 3 days now, and during the day, especially in the town centre, there is a lot of people around, and this is the first time I've actually got down to the beachfront, and this has surprised me. There was no one here at all last year, at all. Because I was even feeling a little bit wary walking along the front, because it was that quiet. It was a ghost town, and it was exactly the same time this last year that I was here when I did the video. See, all the shops are closed. The Jungle Bar closed. Now I'm going to have to keep talking now, because we are going past copyright music, and if it picks up on the camera, as I say, it will be muted and the video will go silent, or they will ask me to take it down because of the copyrighted music. But every now and then, if there are bars going to be open, I'll have this problem. I think that's the Tiki Beach bar that's blaring the music out, but as you can see, literally nobody in there at all. Well, I can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 people in that bar at the moment. So I can understand why these bars close, and then you've got your bar next door which is closed as well. So that's the what was that bar called? There it is, the Cayman bar, that's it, yeah. That slows the all out of it. I've come away now and the music stopped. Turn you back round. The thing that doesn't seem to close here in Benidorm is the hotels. I don't think I've seen one closed. I dare say 1 or 2 probably at the back have closed, but they're all open. There's not a lot of people in the hotels. The one I'm in tonight, the restaurant wasn't that busy at all. Right, got a shop open, Valentino's. The Les Dunes hotel's open as well, as you can see, and there are people in there. It's amazing how one year to another changes, because last year none of these restaurants were open. You can see how empty that restaurant is. So I'd say I am probably about a third of the way along the Levante Beach. Los Ranchos is open, and then the one next door is closed. Los Gemelos is open, but there's only 4 people in. As you can see, quite a lot of people walking along the front. For anybody who hasn't been to Benidorm, this walkway along there, the front of the Levante Beach, ask anyone who's ever been to Benidorm during the summer, this would be absolutely heaving all the way along, people walking in both directions, dodging each other. That's how busy this gets. Definitely a lot of places are closed. Just seeing if the library is open. That's a library during the day, but it might be closed in the winter. Hotel Symbol's open. That's a really nice hotel, that 4-star hotel, the Hotel Symbol. I'm not sure if that wind's going to be picking up on the camera. because there's a little bit of wind gets up every now and then. Yeah, another closed restaurant. There's just not enough tourists here at this time of the year. But again, it's getting more and more people as I get closer towards the old town. That restaurant's open. Terraza Cactus. Another hotel, I'm not 100% certain if, yeah, that is open and there's people in it. That's the inside. That's another hotel that's on my list to do. Daytona bar's open as well. Seems to be as we're getting closer towards the old town, more of the bars are open. That looks totally empty inside that restaurant. Now again, I'm going to have to talk over the copyright music which is playing in the background. Daytona Beach Bar there. A few people in, but as I said, I'm going to have to keep talking over. That gets really busy during the summer, and then we're coming up to the Jolly Roger. This is a new bar. This hasn't been open that long. It certainly wasn't open last year, and the thing I noticed when I'm going along a lot of these bars, at the signs that say cash only, a lot of the bars are refusing credit cards. A sign of the times, yeah, cash only they're asking for. So that's the Jolly Roger. Again, copyright music playing in the background. Now, I remember last year I pointed out that the Pinocchio pizza bar was closed. There was not a soul in it. And I can see it's open this time. And it's actually got people in it. Again, we're coming up to a couple of bars again with copyright music. It's either that or I have to put music over myself and not talk when I pass these bars, so I'll have to check the video before I put it up. Otherwise, I say it's pointless actually making the video, and this one does blare it out very loud. This is the Heartbreak bar. As you can see, a few people in it, but not that busy, and again blaring out copyright music. This is the thing you put up with when you're a YouTuber. If that actually picks up at all on the camera, then unfortunately the video is a waste of time because it just gets muted totally. But there you go, the Heartbreak bar on the front here in Benidorm. Now we're coming up to this other bar here, which is, I'm sure that used to be Penelope's. I think yeah, it was Penelope's, and it looks like it's open, the screens are on, but not a soul. That looks like the staff, not a soul in that bar. Another one closed. Now I'd say I'm probably 2/3 of the way along now. Yes, I haven't got that far to go. One thing I have noticed, and the same last year when I was walking up, there was quite a few police cars going up and down the front. and I've noticed 2 already since I've been here. That's not one, but I have noticed 2 go up while I've been talking. Another bar, Moon Beach, closed. I think we're going to have another copyright bar, so I'm going to have to talk again. This bar's changed its name, I'm sure, a few times. I'm sure there used to be a couple of little bars along there before this big front one opened up. I'm trying to see what the name of this one is. I can't even see the name in the background. I can't see. Let's have a little look. No, I'm just going to have to keep talking and keep walking because that noise is blaring out. I'm not sure if it's picking up. And they've even got a prop on the door as well. So, a few people in there. Looks like a stag party in the middle. I can't seem to catch the name of that one. If anyone knows what the name of this bar is, just let me know. Put it in the comments down below. But I can't actually see the name of that one. There we go. Carry on walking. Another one blaring the music out. Cafe bar closed. Definitely a lot more bars open this year. Tiki Town closed. That's normally open, but that's closed as well. Oh, Burger King. I thought I was going to say Burger King's even closed, but no, they never close. I think I've only got one more main bar on the front that's possibly going to be open, and then after that it's just the hotels, and then I come to the old town. But I'll probably end the video because I'm now coming up to roughly around about 25 minutes. So it took me virtually, well, less than half an hour to walk the front, stopping every now and then. So there's the city bar. Screens are on. There's a couple of people outside and it looks totally empty inside. Well, that cafe looks very busy. Oh, it's because we're entering into the old town. This is like one of the main shopping streets, so that's why this area is very busy, as you can see. I'll take it up a little bit further and then I'll bring this video to a close. At another nice hotel, 4-star hotel, that's the Levante Benidorm. Check out the video, I've done a video on that hotel. I stayed in, I think it was the 3rd floor, right on that corner. Beautiful hotel. I just hope they got the food right because they couldn't get it right last time I was here. Yeah, everything sort of didn't match with anything. So there you go, I'm now touching the edge of the old town where I'm going to bring this video to a close. Just give you one last look back. So as I said, I've walked the full length of the Levante Beach and it's a lot busier than it was last year. I'd say, well, probably, I don't know, probably 200% at least. I don't know, there's a lot more people here. A lot more people. There was literally, just check out the video from last year and you will see it was a ghost town, a total ghost town. Just check it out. Right, I'm going to bring this video to a close. Hope you've enjoyed it. It was just a little walk along Levante Beach just to see what's going on in case anyone plans to come out in January, but then again, That's 2 Januaries I've done it, and they're both different, so you just don't know. And with a love you leave you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, a share, of course, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that keeps you up to date with any future videos coming. As I said, I'm bringing it to a close. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.